Imua. And they share this mele, which is one of 3 chants about when trains were first introduced to Oahu, and how there was a lot of kind of, when the, what do we call that? I think I wrote it once. Is it a tram? Is it a rail? It's a rail. It's a something. I mean, it's close to the one that looks like the one that's at Pearl Ridge. It just goes farther. But there was any kind feelings about that, right? So can you imagine the days of our ali'i when they were riding a horse and all of a sudden someone said, we're gonna have some train. We're gonna have a train that goes from like our North Shore area to Honolulu. And everyone was appalled, right? Like, oh my gosh, why? Right? All the things that you would think were said. And then Liliʻu rides it and she's like, oh my gosh, this is lovely. Why didn't we do this earlier? Because she oftentimes, actually a few times, fell off a horse. And so she was pau with that. She said, oh, this is so much better. And I actually get to see my home in a different way. And so this talks about sort of, accepting innovation and things that are changing, but not forgetting where you are, who you are, and all of those things. And so this hula they share with you is called Eia Maiau o Makalapua, talking about accepting change to the best of your ability, yeah? Or however you can receive it. Eia Maiau o Makalapua. Eia Maiau o Makalapua. Ho'aloi ka ʻiolani kila. O ke ku'e a ka Hawaiʻi kuvili. Ka hiona o lua o Hālau. Pa Ualawa ka ikena. Ualawa ka ikena I ka awalawu. Ia ewa ka I aha mauleo. Ua piha ka uahia I manana. Ave I ke kula o I pi o. Pa I kai ho ia wa hono uli. Ahu wale ke ko a o polea. Haina ia mai ana kapuana. Ho'aloi ka ʻiolani kila. Pa Eala Hei noa no Liliʻuokalani. Mahalo. Thank you, girls.